Isang magandang umaga sa inyong lahat from Finland, mga ka-Gigi! At hi mga ka-Gigi! Okay ba kayong lahat dyan? Kamusta kayong lahat? Mga ka-Gigi, ngayon, summer is finally here. Pero mahangin ngayon kaya nag-jacket pa rin ako. Pero kaya na ng walang jacket mga ka-Gigi. Samahan niyo ako dahil susunduin natin si Ziki sa bahay ni Keng. Doon yung bahay ko, tapos dito yung bahay ni Keng padiretso. So, sa mga nagsasabi na palabas lang namin lahat ito, na kesyo hindi naman talaga kami naghiwalay, na kesyo, hindi ko alam mga ka-Gigi, ang daming mga nagsasabi na hindi daw totoo yun. Pero magkahiwalay kami ng bahay. So hindi naman kami aabot sa ganong point kung talagang hindi kami naghiwalay. Green na lahat mga ka-Gigi, ang ganda na ng weather natin. Nakita nyo yan, biglang tumubo na yung mga leaves. Yan, biglang meron ng mga bunga. Color green na lahat mga ka-Gigi. Ganon kabilis. Ganon rin kabilis malalagas yan dahil mabilis lang yung summer dito sa Finland. As in, dadaan lang yan mga ka-Gigi. Visa mo na si Ziki. Malapit na ako. Okay. Bye-bye. Yan na niya mga ka-Gigi. Puno na ng flowers. Ganda na. Tignan nyo naman mga ka-Gigi, ganyan sila dito. Nagbibilad sila sa araw mga ka-Gigi, tignan nyo. Saan kayo makakita ng ganyan? Naka-bathing suit sila, naka-bikini sila. Tapos, maglalatag lang sila ng towel mga ka-Gigi. Yun na, basic. Ano na sila, tan. Nagpapatan sila mga ka-Gigi kasi sobrang puti nila. Sana all maputi. Yan, kung makikita nyo. Pwede ka lang maglatag dito. Ganon. Picnic ba? Tapos dala ka ng book. Kung gusto mo magbasa. Ganon. Mas marami yan sa ibang lugar mga ka-Gigi. Pero ano yan, normal lang yan dito. Wala silang pakialamanan dito kung gusto mo maghubad, okay lang yun. Hindi ka nila papakialamanan mga ka-Gigi. So mga ka-Gigi, nagtanggal na ako ng jacket kasi mainit. Hello!
Saan pumunta?
Hello! Ito na si Keng tsaka si Ziki mga ka-Gigi. Wow! Wow, pogi ah! Pogi ah! Oh! Oh!
Kiss, baby.
Bye, Dada.
Pakinin mo si Sige.
Say bye, Dada.
Bye-bye.
Hanapin niyo si Ziki mga ka-Gigi, oh. Ang hilig. Dito ako dumaan sa main road siya. Mahilig siya dumaan dun sa... Meron kasing daan dun eh. Yan, oh. Kiders B! Ang init kaya yan suot mo. Mga ka-Gigi, mainit na talaga. Yes, finally. Tinanggal ko na yung jacket ko. So, let's buy ice cream. You want ice cream? Bibili muna kami ice cream mga ka-Gigi dito. Sa sari-sari store. Init. Pawis. Ang kili-kili. Oopsie! Maliit lang tong store dito mga ka-Gigi. Cookies. Cookies. Show them. Gigi, cookies. What else? Let's buy ice cream, no? Mga ka-Gigi, ang init. Oof. Pawis ang ating elik-elik. So mga ka-Gigi, bumili kami ni Ziki ng ice cream. Woo! Come here. Come here. Get me in. Ice cream. Yung isang buo na lang binili namin mga ka-Gigi kasi parang kung isa-isa, parang mas mahal. Buti na lang, nagdala si mama ng tissue. Okay, oh. Bilis. Ang liit naman ng stick nito ng hawakan. Oh!
Mama?
Mga ka-Gigi, nagkakrave ako sa bulldog. Parang nakita ko. Minsan, gusto kong kumain ng mga... Pero sobrang minsan lang yun mga ka-Gigi. Hindi ako kumakain parati ng mga instant noodles. Pero pagka nag-crave ako... Kio! Wow! Mama will eat also. Kain tayo ice cream mga ka-Gigi. So, nakita nyo, sinundo ko si Ziki dun. Sa bahay. Well, sinalubong na nila ako kasi nag-ano sila mga ka-Gigi. Naglakad na sila kasi magtatapon siyang basura. Yung basurahan? Ngayon mga ka-Gigi, samahan nyo kami kasi meron tayong pupuntahan. Siyempre, hindi tayo papag na hindi tayo makakapasyal. Parati ko kayong pinapasyal. Umiisip ako kung saan maganda pumunta kasi summer na dito. Kailangan natin sulitin mga ka-Gigi dahil sabi ko nga, sobrang bilis lang ng summer dito. At susunod winter na naman, puro snow na naman. Kaya, pasyal tayo for today's video. So, uwi muna tayo sa bahay mga ka-Gigi. Lagay muna natin tong ice cream para hindi siya matunaw. Yan. So, siguro yung bahay ko papunta sa bahay ni King or pauwi sa amin or vice versa. Yung layo is siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes walk mga ka-Gigi. Depende kung paano ka maglakad. Si Ziki sobrang bagal maglakad mga ka-Gigi. Hello mga ka-Gigi. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Ngayon, meron tayong kasama, special guest mga ka-Gigi. We have a special guest for today's video. Her name is Angelina.
Mama.
Hello! Kasama ko ngayon si Angelina. Wife siya ni Jed and they just got married, right? February this year mga ka-Gigi. So, bagong kasal lang sila. So, mabuhay ang bagong kasal. So, Angelina is our new friend here in Finland. She's from you're from
Estonia,
where?
Tallinn.
Yeah. She's from Estonia.
Hours ferry.
Yeah, 2 hours away from Finland. Pag nanonood sila ng vlog ko, pinapa-translate niya sa asawa niya kay Jed yung sinasabi ko kasi yung mga iba na hindi nakakaintindi ng Tagalog, hindi nila naiintindihan yung mga sinasabi ko, yung mga kapwa lang natin mga Pinoy na nakakaintindi, kaya pinapa-translate niya kay Jed, sa husband niya, yung mga sinasabi ko. Ngayon, bagong kasal sila, yeah, they just got married last February.
No, this February.
This February, yeah.
February.
They got married this February 2026. Yan, so they...
It's like forever.
Oh!
Feels
Next.
much longer.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice. For sure, Jed will be like... I think she is kind of shy. But, yeah, for now. And also, mga ka-Gigi, she's vlogging. She started vlogging last... When did you start? When did you start?
My first video this month.
Yeah, she posted her first video just this month, mga ka-Gigi, kaya subscribe to her channel. Subscribe nyo mga ka-Gigi. Pakita natin sa kanya ang suporta, kung paano sumuporta ang mga Pinoy. Yan, mga ka-Gigi, solid ka-Gigi. Ilalagay ko yung YouTube channel niya dito. Mag-subscribe kayo mga ka-Gigi kasi mapapanood nyo yung paano yung buhay mag-asawa kasi syempre ibang lahi siya, tapos Pinoy, na pangasawa niya Pinoy. So, di ba parang si Ate Inday lang tsaka si Kuya Dudong. Kasi si Ate Inday Pinay naman, tapos si Kuya Dudong Estonian din, mga ka-Gigi. Alam niyo mga ka-Gigi, yung mga Estonian, sobrang ano sila, ang babait nila, parang same lang ng Filipinos yung culture ng Estonian sa tingin ko. Kaya, subscribe na kayo sa channel niya mga ka-Gigi at mapapanood nyo doon yung buhay nila mag-asawa at magaganda yung content sila kasi nagte-travel sila. Tapos soon, marami pa kayo makikita sa vlog niya, kaya mag-subscribe na kayo mga ka-Gigi. So ngayon nandito kami mga ka-Gigi sa park. Yan, malapit dito sa tinitiran ko. Nandito lang kami kasi ang ganda ng weather ngayon mga ka-Gigi for today's video. Sobrang ganda ng weather. Ang warm. Kung makita nyo, wala na akong jacket. Pero medyo mahangin. Pero okay lang mga ka-Gigi. Hindi na ganun kalamig. So dapat magpipiknik kami. Nagdala ko ng blankets and everything. Kaya lang, sobrang taas ng mga damo mga ka-Gigi. Yung mga grass, sobrang ano nila, biglang tubo. Last time nandito lang tayo nag-vlog ako. Ngayon, sobrang green na lahat mga ka-Gigi. Nakaka-amaze. Sobrang bilis tumubo. Yan mga ka-Gigi. Yung view namin, kung makikita nyo yung damo, ang taas na. So, hindi kami makapaglatag ng blanket. Tapos nyo, merong bata doon, nag-fishing siya, oh. Ay, kaya lang umalis na siya. Hindi siya nakakuha ng isda. Oh, he gave up.
The fish.
The boy gave up.
Fish?
Fish, yeah.
The fish.
But I think it was here for a long time.
So, nagdala ko ng blanket. Ito, sa latag sana namin dalawa. Tapos chips. Tapos meron kami dito. Let's show them what we have.
Donuts.
Yeah?
Cookies.
Cookies, yes.
All the sweets.
Yeah.
Everything sweet.
Chips.
Blueberry.
Blueberry, yeah. So, mga ka-Gigi, let's do
Again?
a quick interview with Angelina. We have to ask some questions about married life. No, I would like to ask, how did you two meet? Is it possible to answer that or no?
Next.
Next, okay. So,
I mean, that's okay. We can answer it actually.
okay. No, it's okay.
Or like next.
Next, what made you fall in love with a Filipino guy? With a Filipino man. What made you fall in love with a Filipino man? You want to answer that or no?
We can say that. Let's say that Judge saw me. He fell in love with me, and then he. No, actually, let's go.
What?
He saw me. He fell in love, and here we are.
Ah, Jed fell in love with you
Yeah.
first.
Yeah.
And then you fell in love with him.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's so
yeah.
sweet.
I can imagine how we're gonna watch it in a couple of days. We just during the breakfast, like, oh my god, what did you say?
Yeah. I'm sorry, husband.
What?
Was it hard adjusting
In
to
Finland?
Filipino family culture? Like with Jed's family, because we have like a different culture, right? So was it hard for you?
No, I don't think so. I mean, we have to ask Jet.
Yeah.
But for me, it was pretty easy because the family values, are
Yeah.
the same. It's very similar to.
It's
Mama.
Yeah, it's very similar to my
Mama.
family.
culture, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm thinking that maybe the Filipino culture and Estonian culture is like similar. Yeah, that's what we said.
Actually, I don't know because I think Estonian culture is similar to Finnish culture.
Finish.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
But because like we're
There's bicycle. Look.
stop. Ah, okay. So cute. So cute.
Yeah. What?
We can say that like my mom is Russian and my dad is Estonian, so I have like a little bit of Slavic household stuff.
Okay, yeah.
So that's the thing that we have been talking with Jed, that because of my Russian household vibes,
Yeah.
that's why I'm okay to be with Filipino, because the upbringing is very similar. Like the values, how the girl is raised, in the Philippines, how the girls are raised like in Slavic household, like in Russia, Ukraine, everything like post-Soviet Union countries. Yeah, so it's like you have to be at home before a certain time. You can't go out. Like we're not chatting with boys until we're adults and stuff. So very like Filipina
Sorry.
vibes. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least that's what I heard.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's like this traditional upbringing vibes.
Yeah, yeah. What Filipino habits do you enjoy most?
Filipino habits.
Yeah.
The food. Oh, what I can say what I don't enjoy, but it's controversial. It's eating rice for breakfast.
Ooh.
What?
Eating rice for breakfast.
Eating rice for breakfast.
Like, you know, I'm okay to eat rice for dinner or lunch, but not for breakfast. But after all this, or there's a point or a reason why we should eat rice for breakfast, because we stay fuller for a longer time.
Yes.
So we don't get hungry in
Yeah,
couple of hours.
that's
So
true.
I get it. But in the beginning, I was like, no, rice. We need pancakes, we need porridge, we
Yeah.
need granola, yogurt, avocado toast, and stuff, but not the rice. But now I'm like,
Let's do it.
we can do rice, like here and there.
Yeah, like once in a while.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. But Chad explained to you that that's how we used to eat breakfast, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, we call it sinangag, like fried rice. We usually the leftover rice from yesterday,
Yeah.
or even
before,
days before, we like fried it with garlic, lots of garlic, salt, pepper, then just egg, hot dogs, fried fish.
Filipino hot dogs, yeah. I
You like
tried
it? That's so nice. You like it? No,
That's the thing. Like,
she doesn't like it.
I like adobo. I like sisig.
Adobo, sisig, yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
What else? How about sinigang? The sour soup.
Okay. I messed up the adobo and sisig. Wait. Wait. It's
Nakakatawa siya mga ka-Gigi.
sisig is the pork one, right? But
Yeah.
the soup is the
Sinigang.
Yeah, I like sinigang.
You like sinigang?
Sisig, I don't like. Yeah.
Sisig is the
With the mayonnaise. And
with the mayonnaise. You don't like it?
No, not
Not your thing.
Yeah. But the sour soup.
Yeah, you like
yeah,
it.
This is
With fish or with pork?
the shrimp and fish.
Shrimp, yeah. We do, we have shrimp sinigang to sinigang na hipon.
Yeah.
Yes.
And chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo, yeah. It's very, so popular.
Classical.
Yeah, classic. We can also,
I know how to make.
really, we should vlog about that Angelina will cook adobo for us. So let's see how she cooks it. Tignan natin mga ka-Gigi kung papasa siya. Let's see if...
But it's gonna be not spicy, nothing. It's gonna
Of course.
Okay.
Usually, we don't make spicy adobo. Like for me, I like the not spicy. Yeah, you can always you make the adobo and you can always add separately the chili and everything. But usually we don't make spicy adobo. But well, it's up to you. But the classic one, no, it's not spicy at all.
On my phone.
You have recipe?
Yeah. Me cooking adobo for you.
Yeah. That's our next video, mga ka-Gigi, so you better watch out. Angelina will cook adobo for us. The classic adobo.
Chicken, yeah.
Yeah. So the next question is, this is really serious question, Angelina. I'm so sorry, but you have to answer this, okay?
Let's see.
Did Jed introduce you to karaoke?
Yes.
That's a serious question, right?
Yeah.
Did he introduce you how to Filipino party with mga ka-Gigi, because Jed is my colleague. We work together. We have Bluetooth speaker at work. I heard him singing and his voice is actually good. Right? Yeah, so I heard it. Maganda boses niya mga ka-Gigi. So, did he introduce you to karaoke?
Yeah.
Have you been in the karaoke bar or something?
I
Here?
don't think we have here karaoke.
No,
but
yeah.
Yeah, but we have this karaoke speaker and the microphone. So yeah.
Really?
Yeah, a typical Filipino thing.
Oh my gosh, that's so nice. Yeah. Sa mga ka-Gigi, yung araw, sobrang tumapat na sa amin. Our next question is, did Jed try Estonian dish?
Yeah.
He liked it?
Yeah. Which one is it? Yeah, like blood sausage, with
Oh my gosh, blood
that we
sausage.
eat, yeah. Do
I
you like
don't know. I don't eat
I also
blood
don't like it.
sausage. Really?
it?
Oh my gosh, yeah?
Yeah. glass sausage with potato, you know, like it's a Christmas food. Oh, the sun is so bright.
Yeah.
And sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut.
Yeah.
Sauerkraut, yes, I can eat
Yeah.
that. Because you remember when you watched the vlog? We went to the beer house and
Yeah,
there's
yeah, yeah.
sauerkraut
Yeah.
with the pork. Was sauerkraut, mustard sauce. Ito yung parati namin order.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I like that too.
Was it like fried or it was fresh?
Fresh, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But for Christmas we eat like fried.
Oh, really? I want to try that too, the fried one. Is it good?
It's
It's
It
okay.
depends. For example, my sister doesn't like it.
Ah.
Yeah. So it's like kind of picky eater vibes. If you're a picky eater, I don't think you would like it. But if you like the fresh one,
Yeah.
you might like the fried one as well.
So mga ka-Gigi yan, nag-sunglasses lang kami kasi sobrang tapat na tapat yung araw sa amin. Yan, so, have you been in the Philippines?
Not yet.
Not yet, yes. So,
Planning next year.
next year?
Yeah,
Oh, that's nice, yes. Di pa siya nakakapunta ng Pilipinas, mga ka-Gigi. Soon, they will go to the Philippines so that you can try and you can see how beautiful our country. Yeah, Philippines. We have so many beautiful islands, beaches, and beautiful people. Actually, yeah,
Do
that's
you know how many islands Philippines has?
yeah. It's 7,100. I'm joking, but it's 7,000. But I'm not sure the exact amount. But
Okay.
that's
In Estonia, it's 2,000.
2,000.
2,000 islands.
And the population is in Estonia is
It's 1.3 something million.
in the Philippines. You know,
No.
it's 100 million.
Oh,
Like
a lot.
a lot, so like a huge difference.
Yeah.
But here in Finland it's like 5 million as far as I know. Yeah, 5 million in Finland. Yeah.
I heard that Uusimaa area has
Yeah?
like 1 point something million people.
In Estonia it's only 1 million.
1.3.
That's so small.
Yeah. Yeah.
But in Russia it's a lot, right?
I don't know. Yeah.
I think Russia is like no, not I think, but Russia is like a big country.
Oi.
May bata dito mga ka-Gigi. Nag-stop siya dito sa harap namin. Kala niya ate siya yung kinukuhaan ko ng camera. Yes, so we have 7,641 islands and islets. They call islets like the small ones. Islands in the Philippines. Also, I told mga ka-Gigi, Angelina, that you have a YouTube channel. They can subscribe to you so that they will watch you and see your married life with a
my
Filipino man. And I told them also that your vlog is about traveling. You travel, right?
Yeah.
And where have you been? In
Traveling
Riga.
between Thailand
And you know, mga ka-Gigi, you know, I really like Angelina's personality because she's very straightforward. Like, for example, when we went to like a bar. Is it a bar?
Oh.
I will never forget that.
was a
Like,
pub.
it got stuck
Yeah.
in my head because we went. Can you tell mga ka-Gigi
Yeah.
the story? Because you know, I'm having like a nosebleed already and speaking in English because I don't know what to say. We call it nosebleed, you know? When we
When you
speak
talk too much?
Yeah, when we talk too much in English, we said, oh my gosh, we're joking about like our nose is bleeding because too much English. And you tell mga ka-Gigi the story behind it.
So we met after your work.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yes.
with Betania,
Betania.
you, Jet, and I.
Yeah.
And we went to a bar to just like chit chat, you know, after long working days that you had. And we were sitting there, you know, waiting for food and stuff. And there, the table next to us, there was like super old people. I think they're 50 plus. They're definitely 50 plus, like man, drunk, and they kept staring at us. It was just like 3 of us girls sitting. And you know, they look at you once, look at you twice, and then you already started to get uncomfortable because you sit like so close to the table.
Yeah, me.
I was like on the opposite side. And then, you know, I understand that this guy wanted to talk to you, like, you know, chit chat, you know, like a random thing.
Yeah.
And I was like, bro, I was like, excuse me, can you stop looking at us? Like, just look at your table and be with your friends, you know, because you're disturbing us.
Yeah, and we're not interested. Yes.
Yeah, we're not interested. Like, keep, you know, chatting with your friends because we're there to enjoy our company. We are not there to make friends, you know, with new people.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, and he
That's-
just kept staring
Yeah.
and staring, and I was like, oh my god.
He can't help it, no?
Yeah, because it was so uncomfortable.
Yeah.
I was sitting opposite of you, you know, like you were sitting on the right side and I was
Yeah.
sitting on the left side, so I was like so far away from him. But even sitting so far away, I was getting uncomfortable. So I cannot imagine how you felt if you were
Yeah.
sitting so close to
So
him.
close to him, yeah.
It was, I didn't feel like good energy from him.
Yeah. So that's why
Yeah.
she talked to him straight that
Yeah.
we're not interested and just look straight.
Yeah.
Not to, because mga ka-Gigi, he's doing like this, no? Like,
Yeah.
like this, like, you know, his like neck will like
More?
more water.
More.
So Angelina is a housewife at the moment, yeah. But soon,
No, I'm a beginner YouTuber.
beginner vlogger, mga ka-Gigi. Please show her some love, mga ka-Gigi. Please subscribe to her channel.
I feel so shy now.
No, don't be shy. You have to do it. You have to do it. Actually, we pushed her to start. Yeah. So, mga ka-Gigi, please subscribe to her channel and comment. Mag-comment kayo mga ka-Gigi sa kanyang YouTube channel. Panoorin nyo, nag-upload siya doon. Siguro you have maybe like 3 videos, no? Or 4 vlogs. 3, yeah. So if you subscribe, mga ka-Gigi, if you subscribe to her channel, she will upload more vlogs. So, mga ka-Gigi, subscribe now and ring the notification bell button so that you will be notified.
Right now, because we just moved to a new apartment. Yeah.
This week,
Yeah, Wednesday.
on Wednesday.
On Wednesday,
But
yeah.
not yet.
No, we're moved. We already in new apartment.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we moved in Wednesday.
Okay.
Wednesday, and we're living in the boxes right now. On the boxes, you know. Like, it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's crazy, but you know, slowly we will unpack.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah.
Play sila ni tita, mga ka-Gigi. Gustong gusto ni Ziki si Angelina, mga ka-Gigi. Wala pa pala silang baby ni Jed. Woo! Lumipat kami dito sa... Ito mga ka-Gigi, cherry blossoms yan, diba, no nakaraan. Ngayon, hindi na. Wala na. Sabi ko sa inyo, mabilis lang yan eh. Mabilis lang malagas. Yan. Para makapaglaro si Ziki. Dito wala masyadong araw. Yan. Matyaga to. Magiging mabuting ina to, mga ka-Gigi, si Angelina. Mabait siya.